Dear students, today we will start chapter 3 of NCERT, pair of linear equations in two variables. The general form of a linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, c are real numbers, such that a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0 and x, y are variables. Any pair of values of x and y which satisfy the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 or ax plus by is equal to c is called its solution. Simultaneous linear equation is the part of 10th class in two variables. A pair of linear equations in two variables is said to form a system of simultaneous linear equations. The general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables x and y is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are all real numbers. This is known as the algebraic representation of a system of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. I will keep myself slow so you can capture the topics very easily. Do one or two sums daily to get 90 plus marks and keep yourself in practice. For understanding this chapter easily, we have to conclude first, a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Unique solution. Second, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2 infinitely many solution. Third, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. No solution. When you use these conclusions, you will understand that these are the results of our simultaneous linear equations. When there is any solution, the system is consistent, and if no solution, system is inconsistent. This is the basic of this chapter. Graphical method of solving linear equations. Consider the following equations. X plus y is equal to 3, 3x minus 2y is equal to 4, x is equal to 3 minus y is equal to 3x minus 4 divided by 2. I have made these two equations simple. Now putting the values of y is equal to 2 for equation 1, x is equal to 1 is the solution. When y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, we get these two observations. For the second equation, when x is equal to 0, we will get y is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 4, y gives 4. Now, this is the solution. You can take 2 or 3 observations for each reaction. Now, draw the graph. I have drawn this graph for these two simultaneous linear equations. See in this graph, point B is a solution. Coordinate of B is equal to 2, 1. We write x first and y second as coordinate. Always write in this way. Both straight lines are intersecting at point B. System is consistent and lines are intersecting lines. Your answer for these equation is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. That's the way we have to draw in examinations. Consider following simultaneous linear equations. 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. 3x plus 6y is equal to 12. I have made equation x is equal to 10 minus 4y upon 2, and second x is equal to 12 minus 6y upon 3. When we put y is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get x is equal to 1. When we put y is equal to 1, we get x is equal to 3. In equation 2, when we put y is equal to 1, we get x is equal to 2. When we put y is equal to 2, we get x is equal to 0. Let us see. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. Solve the equation. 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6 is not equal to 10 by 12. It is a pair of linear equation having no solution. Lines are parallel and system is inconsistent. Consider the following linear equations. 3x minus y is equal to 2. 9x minus 3y is equal to 6 for infinitely many solutions graphically. I have solved it as y is equal to 3x minus 2. Firstly, for second equation, y is equal to 9x minus 6 upon 3. When in first equation, I put x is equal to 2. We get y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 1. For equation 2, when we put x is equal to 0, we have y is equal to minus 2. When we put x is equal to minus 1, we have y is equal to minus 5. Now draw the graph. To check, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2 gives infinitely many solutions. Here 3 upon 9 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 3 is equal to 2 upon 6. These are the coefficients of two equations and they are all equal. Therefore, this is a graph of infinitely many solutions. And now you see that both the lines are coincident, means overlap each other. That show that every point for one equation is the same for equation 2 also. The system is consistent. That's the way you have to draw all graphs for board examination and practice same. Thank you.